Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. I'm Harlan Quiz tutorial to tell you in this tutorial how to have the more space, especially on your iPhone device. As we know that genuine on the ground, we are having the problem to have the more space on your iPhone device because we have limited space. So of course we have some trick and tips that by using especially we can accelerate as well as of course we can speed up of our iPhone device also by free of course. So you will have to do this carefully, and of course we need we expect from all of my viewers that try to execute the similar way. So firstly we will try to check it out manually, is it possible or not to speed up along with this space and have the more space on your iPhone device. Is it possible or not? So for manually especially here, as we see guys here, when we tap on a settings and in a setting especially we will have to come in a, of course they're on Apple ID, so we will click on it and upon especially we will click on a especially iCloud, and there 50% is we have the clean up, and of course we have the golden 50% is the space in there. So how I did it, see here the management storage is given. If I click inside there, we don't have option especially to the manage it. Of course just we have here options to change the storage plan. Of course you will have to purchase their plan, and that will be more expensive than executing this strategy. So here in storage, how would I? So firstly we will here use this trick, that is especially we will try to delete all the redundant system users logs file, and of course whatever the expired, temporary or permanent especially file in the folder data along with the apps and applications. We will clean up everything, and upon especially we will try to especially the expand or especially the up the speed of especially along with simultaneously of course more space especially or storage on this device. So here we don't have the manually options, so for it just we will go for Manage Administrator, that is your especially M3 tool. There is option, and of course the feature by execution of that just we will connect a data cable. So successfully it has been especially executed here, and upon of course we will tap on a toolbox, and there is one options that is clean the garbage. Of course here we are going to go for the especially we will especially quickly clean up all the device here. So just we will hit there. Here we have two options. One is especially user cache file. There of course we are going to delete all the redundant the system user logs file and the expired temporary files. In a larger application, as we know that tag the more space, especially the installs and the apps and applications in batches to the clean up the redundant documents and the data. So everything less than the cleanups, and firstly so we are trying to the scans, and then of course we will cleanups, and of course we will try to have the more space, as well as of course it will boost your speed of your device also guys. Now here as we see the system that has taken a space so space utilization that is also given in the clearly here. As we see system that is a 4GB especially apps and application that took especially 360 MB, and the photos that is especially show in which sector or especially that you have to delete of these things, so that you will have the much space especially on this device. The firstly these things that is unwanted material, so just we will try to the cleanups, and here if you would like to the rescans, then that can be also here. And once again we will try to see that after cleaning once again this is especially this is a coming or not. No, it's not a coming here. Now here especially in the particular sector, how do you deal it? See here the photos as well as especially if I go in the management of this device, see we have already cleaned, so that we don't have the space in that time especially we had to declare of sector wise, especially if you would like to declare. But here manually if I go for the backups, if I this is a photo that is a total especially 2.5 GB, that if you would like to delete, then of course we will get especially the 2.5 GB more space on this, but I'm not going to, because it's a backed up, especially this data. Along with, see here, if you would like to go for especially backup files, that is especially 200 something 64, but this data can be clear. See, if I click here, yes, we don't have the options to the cleanup, so the only one especially there's the photo files, but by using these tools, and this can be also especially clear. So on the times we had to clear off these things, but we couldn't, unfortunately. But don't worry, next time we will show you how do you clean up that, and by using that, of course, you can have the more space on your device. As we see, we had especially already cleared, and this way actually got in the especially more space. 50% is here. And once again, actually I decided to show you some demo that especially of course you can do it also in the similar strategy, and of course you can speed up, as well as of course you can have the more space on your device by clicking all the garbage. So this is all about in this video tutorials. For the minor inquiry, of course, and have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, guys. So this is all about us. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.